But understand, whatever God has given you, whatever calling, whatever purpose God has given you, and it's going to require God to supernaturally intervene. Well, let me help you to understand this here. Any great calling will always be attached to great obstacles. A great calling will inevitably be attached to obstacles, great obstacles. I want you to think about this here. David himself, David's rise to the kingdom began with the giant as an enemy, literally Goliath. Let's think about this for 1 second. Great callings come attached with great obstacles, hands down. David, prime example. David's rise to the kingdom began with a giant enemy, literally a giant enemy named Goliath. Simple, great calling attached to great obstacles. Let's look at Joseph's life. Joseph journey to becoming the second in command in Egypt. Great calling, but began with betrayal of his family from his own brothers and thrown into prison. Great calling, great obstacle. Let's look at Moses' life, the same thing. Moses' rise to be God's prophet and spokesperson began with him even murdering a man and running and hiding in the desert, to having to now come back to the place where he started and to confront Pharaoh. Great calling, great obstacles. Listen, anything great that you have to do, it will inevitably be attached to some great obstacles. But listen, if God has said you are going to finish it, you are in fact going to finish it, regardless of the obstacles that you are in front of, that's in front of you, or that you are experiencing, or that whatever is it that's opposing you right now. You're going to finish it. Bottom line, hands down, stay encouraged. You're going to get there.